Hey guys, Craig with How to Pest. Today we are going to talk about a all-natural drain cleaner, Hot Spot. Hot Spot is a drain cleaner that will not only kill the organic matter that is in your drains, it will also take care of that drain fly problem because they have nowhere to breed. Also, fun fact, it's a fungi killer. Mildew, for instance, stains on your carpet. This will actually do that stuff, but in general, most people are buying this to do drain cleaning to get rid of the organic matter that's causing the drain fly problem they're having. A lot of restaurants will use this stuff. Let's get into it. Let's show you how to use it. Basically, it's going to come in the aerosol can. If you get a case of this, it's going to come with the hose attachment. If you only order this individually or a couple at a time, you're not going to get the hose attachment. This is if you order a case. It is going to come with the straw. The straw is going to be used for drains. So anytime you use the drain, you're going to take off the cap, shake very well, shake it up good is what I'm basically saying. Put the straw in. Little pin-sized hole in there. Once the straw's in, you're literally just going to come over to your drain right here. You're going to insert that straw as far as you can. You're going to start inserting the hot spot. You'll see it start to foam up like that. Let it foam up. Let it come around the drain, the cracks and crevices like that. And let it sit. You need to let this sit for a minimum of 2 hours so it can do its job. It's microbials, just go with it, it's microbials. Basically, it's gonna eat up the organic matter. It feeds off of that stuff. Once again, it's an all-natural product. If you're looking for that, Hot Spot is your go-to. If you have any questions, give us a holler at howtopest.com. And once again, this is Craig with How to Pest.